All right, my friends, you're finally taking Roger's. Ooh, finally taking his EF over to my house. We're gonna be swapping in the B16A2 out of this bad Larry right here into his little EF. This dude right here. And you say you have a fair amount of the parts already, right?
Yeah.
So, man, did that get worse? But yeah, this thing's got the stock D15 in it right now. And yeah, we're gonna tow it over to my house. You ready? Let's do it. So we made it about 2 houses down. And we both were hearing a very obnoxious scraping sound on the road, it sounded like. And upon further inspection, it looks like his catalytic converter is being held up by a coat hanger, maybe? Something not ideal. The next issue, however, is going to be the header. So, yeah, we're not doing too hot right now. All right. Does it have little cutters on it? Oh, dude.
Why did we do this so good? Kept falling off. Remember when I got pulled over for it? In this car? Yeah. I guess that's true too. The next question, however, is going to be...
We knew we were getting pulled that one time because I had the gas station. Followed us right in there.
Yeah, I know. I was like, all right, guys, put your seatbelts on. Look at that. Oh, your cat's already falling apart.
What did I say? You don't
Hey, cat trunk, bro. You could sell some of this.
Recycle. Let's see if we can get any further. A couple more feet. So we'll get to the stop sign. Okay, we made it another, I don't know, mile. Something broke. I think it was just the rest of the exhaust.
Yeah.
Damn it. Wanna pop the hood? I'm gonna just let you handle that.
Test our luck.
Who needs that? Not us. Shatters the back window. See, we're gonna take half this shit off. It just comes off where we're going.
It's gonna keep falling off.
Yeah. The road's doing the job for us.
Okay, guys, on to the next mile. We'll touch bases with you. All right, we're gonna tell Roger's dad we broke his truck because he was texting us worried.
We pulled too much tension and pulled his back bumper up.
We got some bad news.
Yeah, hey Dad. About your truck. You have a triangular back bumper now. We pulled it to a triangle. It's okay. I mean, you can fix it. It's like some Mad Max, you know. Somebody tries to rear end you, you'll spike them.
Dude, he's not saying anything. Okay, well, we're gonna go get this show on the road.
We'll take it the rest of the way off.
He's out there looking right now. We had 3 occasions.
I figured.
So,
I was like, I'm starting to worry, and she's putting the worst things in my mind. She's like,
Dude.
They probably tried to put stuff inside the tire to air it up and just lit it on fire.
No,
and then
dude.
it lit your tree. I was like, yeah, and then it's gonna light my tree on fire. And then,
No.
What the?
What happened was we swapped the tire real quick. I used your toolkit. I put it away. What happened was we got about 1 house down from yours, and the catalytic converter fell and was starting to just dragging.
No,
On
his
his-
exhaust.
And then
I've knocked
your
his
fault
exhaust
anyway.
off. I knocked his exhaust off because a piece out of a railroad track was sticking up when I had to drive it one time. And
So-
caught the exhaust, ripped his exhaust off.
So that happened, and then the exhaust manifold, the header on the actual engine, fell. And we was dragging that for a minute. Fixed that. get about a mile down the road and we start hearing like clunking like really bad. He was like, I'm getting nervous.
Flies out the back.
His CV axle goes flying, bro.
I felt it just going underneath.
Sounds like an adventure.
Not your truck. It's like,
I'm sitting here. I'm like, well, they would have texted me if something really bad happened.
Absolutely would have called you.
I'm surprised you didn't be like,
hey, Dad, we crystaled your truck.
All right, guys. So on the way here, one of our axles went flying. It's gone. It's no longer with us. But thankfully, we still have this one.
Charge battery helps. 32 millimeters.
You guys see this? Let's see if I can show you. Had a little cover over the castle nut and the cotter pin right there. A little odd. Never seen that before.
These headlights are still pretty clear.
Other than one's cracked.
Yeah, that one. It's like a rock chip. Like, that's weird.
Yeah, they're glass, bro.
I remember when the Suburban windshield got cracked. Literally seconds after my dad was driving out of the first windshield he had, the rock chips. Driving down the road, we get on to like, oh, what road is it? Like right at Beach's Corner. Turn right, Ford Raptor goes in past us. Boom. Two rocks. No way! Oh, he was so mad.
But you were laughing pretty hard.
I was, dude. I was dying.
Sometimes you just shouldn't speak on things.
Yeah.
You want to throw that in the back of your dad's truck?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're getting somewhere. You guys don't understand how big of a deal this is to us. How long have we had this car? Since sophomore year. Yeah, dude. He got this car shortly after I got that car. So these are both our high school cars.
Yep.
So the deal was if he starts working on his, I'll start working on mine. And that's probably not gonna happen. Okay, that's probably part one. Probably 3 parts for this car. But he and I were just talking. I don't remember if you guys saw that or not. But the plan is we're gonna probably go ahead and strip this bay of any and everything and sand the bay, weld all the holes shut, shave it. And yeah, you excited?
yeah.
Heck yeah, you are. I don't know when this video is gonna go live, but yeah. See you guys next week. That's a really fast video.
Yeah.
That's the goal, gentlemen.
Oh.